Hello everyone, myself Madhumita, Assistant Professor, Saundarya Institute of Management and Science. In today's lecture, this is a continuation of our previous lecture, that is tuning machine, with some other example. So we will see another example, that is design a tuning machine which recognizes the language, that is 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n. So it means this is the language we have to design with tuning machine. With respect to tuning machine, we have to design. Before I have already drawn for you, but just before that we will see the explanation of how it will be done, which type of string it will accept. So if it is, what does this mean? 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, n number of zeros followed by equal number of 1, those type of strings should be accepted. For example, if it is 3 zeros, n value is 3, if it is n equal to 3 zeros, then followed by 3 1 should be accepted. Apart from that, it should not accept. If your number of 0 is uneven, then also it should not accept. If suppose for example it is 4 0 single 1, it should not accept. Or if it comes 1 1 0 0 0, it should not accept. Or if it comes 1 1 1 0 0 0, it should not accept. These type of strings should not accept, apart from n number of zeros followed by n number of 1 should be accepted. Apart from that, any other combination of string should not be accepted. So let us see with example. Say my tape is I have 4 zeros. I have taken 4 zeros followed by 4 ones. Should be accepted. Since this is tuning machine, after that blank symbol should be there. It can be represented like this, or in some other books you will find like this also, be anything. It represents with blank symbol only. It should be of infinite size. So now this is my input tape. This is my string. This is my input tape which is pointing at 0 here. Now what it says, before starting the execution, we have to analyze what we should, how, this is one way of counting. It should count also whether my number of 0 is equal to my number of ones. So it should count 0. If first is 0, so how many times 0 has come? First one time. Then it should parallelly it should cross check with 1 also. If we get 1 once first 1 if we get, then we say that okay, 0 1 for 1 0 1 1 is also available. If we have 2 zeros, so we should search for second one also. It should not be more or less than that. So how it will be done? Let us see. We have first alphabet, that is 0. First 0 will be converted with another alphabet, that is X. Then we have this feature in tuning machine that it can move in any direction, left side or right side. Right now, after scanning this, it will move to right side. After scanning, it will move to right side. That is, again we have 0. But what we are looking for? We are looking for 1. Because for this 0, it should have its corresponding 1. Then only we can say that this alphabet, this language will be accepted. So for this 0, first 0, I should get parallel one, first 1. Then only we can say that this is accepted. So this is what, after this 0, if we get another 0, we will leave it, because we will scan till last. If we change its symbol, if we update the 0, we will not get to know that how many zeros are there, because here it is not being counted 1 or 1 2 3. We are just comparing. We are comparing this 0 with 1. Okay, for first 0, first 1 is there, we will say it is this string is correct. Okay, so we will update my first 0 followed by since we are getting 0, we will not do anything, we will just move. We'll move to next string, next alphabet, that is again we are finding 0, but we are looking for 1. So we'll leave as it is, will not do any change. Then again we move to 0. Again we are getting 0, will not do anything, we'll move to next alphabet, that is 1. Okay. For first 0, for this 0 its corresponding 1 is available. So we'll change it with some other symbol, that is say this one is X, I will change it to Y. After this what should come? I should check, is there any more 0? Yes, there was few zeros, so we will move back. Since we can move backward also, that is to left side also in tuning machine we can move. So we will move back. Till where we should move back? Till I don't get X. What X will represent? There was 1 0 which is replaced, which is updated. So we have updated this. Next to that I should get 0. I should get 0. So if we get 0, how we'll do? We'll move from here, my tape is here, we'll move left side, we'll scan, we got 0. We should check whether we have some more 0. Yes, we have one more 0. We'll move this side, yes, we have one more 0. Again we'll check whether we have 0. Yes, we have 0. We'll move this side. Again we'll move back, we'll check whether it is 0. No, it is X. After seeing that it is X, that means before that everything is scanned. Either it is first or n number of zeros are already scanned. So after this we'll move to right side to scan my second 0. So after this I will move right. After this we'll move right. So right side what we have? We have 0. So this 0 again will scan. Will update with X. So that means right now what has happened? We got 2X. That is 2 zeros we got. But how many ones? We have one, only one. So we'll move again to check whether we have some more 1. Okay. For this 0 whether we have its corresponding 1. Yes, we'll check. For that it will move right. We have 0 here. It will move again right. It has 0 here. Again it will move right. It has Y. That means 1 was converted into Y. That means next to that we should have 1. Next to that we moved, we have 1. So what its corresponding 0 for this X, its corresponding Y is available. So it is converted. Now again same process will be repeated. Again we will move back to check whether we have some more 0. Okay, we will move back. It is Y. Again we will move back. It is 0. Again we will move back. It is 0. Till where we should go? Till X we should go. Till X will go. Yes, it is. We got X. That means before this what all are there? It is already scanned. So from here, from this X, again we'll move right side. We got 0. When we got 0, we'll scan, we'll update it to X. 0 is updated to X. We got third 0. For its corresponding 1, we will search for. Its corresponding 1 is what? We'll check, we'll move to right. We have 0 here. Again we'll move, we have Y here, which is converted 1. Again we have Y here. Again we'll move right, we have 1 here. So its corresponding for this X, its corresponding 1 is there. So we'll convert it into Y. That means we got 3 0, 3 1s. Till now it is okay. Now from here again we'll check whether we have 0. Yes. So for that again we'll move reverse order, that is left side will move. From here we got Y. From here also we'll get Y. From here also we'll get Y. From here we will move left, we got 0. Still it will go, it will search for what? It will search for x. So it will search for x here. We got x. As soon as it will get x, that means before this everything is already scanned. It will move for right side. It will move for right side from here. It will move for right side. This is my 0. It will convert it into x. Now next is what? Y. Immediate after this we got y. Then we have next y, again y. We are searching for 1, not y, because y is already converted into 1 is already converted into x. So this corresponding x we are searching for y. So 1. So from here we will move till here right side till y. As soon as we will move right, we will get one more 1. That 1 is this x corresponding, we got 1. We will convert it into y. Then again you check, you go back, again you have to go back and check, is there any 0? It will again similar pattern, it will move left, left, left. It will have here x. We don't have 0, we didn't get in between any 0. We got after y, we got immediate x. That means in between x and y we don't have any 0. So there may be the possibility you have 4 0 and 5 ones. That can be the case. So after x, y, that means in between we don't have any 0. So it will check for, is there any extra 1? Okay, check, will move to right side, it will move to right side. There is no 1. It will move right, it has got y. Then after y we got blank symbol. That means we don't have any extra 1 or any extra 0. That means my string is completed. It has accepted, because we got next step is what? After this y, it will move right side, it will get blank. As we got blank, since we got blank, that means my string is accepted. So this is the logic how it will work. Same thing will be represented over graph. This is the way how it works. We will see how it is represented in graphical form. That is Q0. We are at Q0. At Q0, this is my start state. My first alphabet will be scanned. Over this, what is our pattern? Here, what was my pattern? For 0, if we got 0, we'll convert it into, we'll update it into x. Then second step, after updating, we'll keep on moving for any number of zeros if we get. As soon as we'll get 1, we'll convert it into y. After converting it into y, we'll go reverse and then we'll search for x. We'll search for x. After searching for x, we'll again move its right side and we'll see what is my next alphabet. If it is 0, we'll again change it to x, and same pattern will move to and fro so that we can compare for each 0 its equivalent to 1. So same pattern we are using here. It is Q0. At Q0, by reading 0, we'll convert it into x. So we are converting into x and moving right. We'll move right. Then we'll reach to some other state, that is Q1. At Q1, if we get any number of 0, we'll leave as it is, simply we are moving to right side. So I represented like that. For any 0, we are moving, we are not updating anything, we'll leave as it is and we'll move right side. Then n number of zeros, if it comes, we'll do the same. Then as soon as we'll get first 1, we'll convert it into y. After converting it into y, what we want? It should go backward, and it should go till where? It should go backward. So we have taken, it has moved to left side. Every time one step left side it should move. Till where it should move? Till I should get my x. Same thing will be performed. So after getting 1, we'll convert, will update it into y and will move left side. After moving to left side, if till where it should will keep on moving. After that, if we get, will move reverse order. That means if we get 0 while moving back, if we are at here after converting, we may get 0. So if we get any number of 0, we'll leave as it is. So we'll leave 0 as it is and we'll move left side, because we are searching for x. We are not searching for 1 or 0, we are searching for right now x. So as soon as from here it will get this x, it will move right. So here you are at here, that is 0 you are getting, it will, you will move left every time. You have to keep on moving left side till you get 0. As soon as you will get x, it will come here, will move right side and same operation will be performed. Same operation is what? Again for second 0, as soon as you got x, you moved right. As soon as you got x, you moved right. After moving right, you will get 0. When you get 0, again convert it into x. You convert it into x and you will move right side. Again n number of zeros you will get, you move right. Then as soon as you will get, after this you can imagine for the second step, you converted this 0, second 0 to x. Then you have got here in between while moving you got zeros and the converted y. So when you get converted y, you leave as it is and move right, because you are searching for 1. So we got in between these many zeros and this y. So next one is 1. So if we get 0 or y, anything, we'll move to right side without updating. Then if we get 1, we'll move left side, again backward direction to check whether we have 0. Then when you are moving backward side, that is second one is also scanned. When you move back side to search for x, you will get in between y and 0. So if you get y and 0, you leave as it is and move left side, because you are searching for right now. You are searching for right now x. So as soon as you get x, you just move right side. As soon as you will get x, you move right side. Same thing will be followed. After this, after doing this for the last one, if you get all the alphabets are scanned, if your all these alphabets are scanned, then at last you will get blank. After getting blank, after this, after getting, if you get blank, that is if you get y, move right. You have converted because you have checked all the way and last you got y. If you get y, move right side. If you move right side, you will get blank symbol. If you get blank symbol, directly your string is accepted. Or at last, if you get from here, if you get blank symbol, directly your string is accepted. This is how it will work. This language will be accepted. Apart from this, which are not specified, that means it will go for reject state. Since already I have said before that reject state is not mandatory to specify, it is understood that from here which is not specified, if 1 comes, then it should reject. If null comes or blank symbol comes, it should reject. So if anything else apart from this, if it comes, it will reject. I hope this will be clear to you. Thank you.